Okay, Aaron and Logan are opening their presents from Hans and Anya. Who's it from, Logan?
Who's from, Logan? Hans.
It's from Hans? Aaron, who's yours from?
Anya.
Okay.
How do I open this thing? Okay. Someone get us some scissors, please.
I'll get it. Aaron, Logan, yours is ready to go.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go. I got scissors. Let's see what's in here. Awesome.
What is it, Logan? Keep going. What is it?
Playing cards.
Cool. Aaron, what'd you get?
Spy security scanner.
Cool, Logan, you have another one.
What?
You have another one, part of that present.
Right here. No, right here. Right here. Another present.
Aaron, what do you say to Anya?
Thank you so much, Anya. Whoa. Do you want me to help you with that, Logan? No. Sure. I can see it clearly. What is it?
Well, you finish opening it.
So you don't need any help, Logan? Look, Logan. It's Mac. Look inside it.
What do you say?
Thank you,
Hans.
Hans.
All right, say bye.